Hello everyone, I am Moirakshi Ghosh. I am from West Bengal and I am preparing for UGC NET. Recently I have joined Kalyani ma'am's Udemy course and I am here to share my experience with you. I really wish I had joined this course earlier, especially when I was doing my undergraduation and post-graduation. Anyway, it's better late than never. The contents of this course are excellent. I don't know how to explain in words. Kalyani ma'am has explained and discussed each and every topic extensively. The course is designed in such a way that it will not only help you to crack UGC NET, but it will continue to enrich your knowledge even when you will become an assistant professor. One thing which I must mention here is that you pay only once for this entire course and you get a lifetime access, which is a big deal. And that's not all. Kalyani ma'am will continue to add more videos to the course in future. So in a nutshell, you get a lifetime access to an ever-growing online library of videos which will provide you with quality contents. And I would like to conclude by saying that Kalyani ma'am, thank you so much for creating such an amazing course. You have no idea, you have changed my life. Thank you.